All right, y'all, this is so exciting. Check out the Dollar Tree. Look at all the Valentine's Day stuff. They're in full effect with Valentine's Day and spring items. Look at all the wood pieces. They've got everything, the LED lights, the stick-on, the deco mesh there at the bottom, some glitter love signs, those little cute LED fairy lights. Look, they're even pink. My daughter didn't want to be filmed. Look at all of the cute signs with all the galvanized pieces. I love these little bells. They come in different colors. So cute. Tons of florals. Just a little snippet of my haul. What I was planning on getting. Whoa, look at all of that. And there's more to come, I'm sure of it. All the crafts that are waiting to be made, guys. Check out the pots. Oh, the galvanized pots, the planters. Guys, I can't take it. Go to the Dollar Tree. Do it.